Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So there's no trades today. Today's Wednesday, November 11th, and there are no trades today. Why? Probably because the same reason why everyone else who has a cash account isn't trading today. There's no settled funds. And there's no settled funds because it's Veterans Day. So there's no money movement or settlement today. Taking that into consideration, I do have Tuesday's trades, which I didn't make a video for, to recap. So as you can see today, there's no trades at my. If you open my cash balance, the settled cash is $3.05. So I was thinking, I forgot all about that, and then when I noticed it, I realized that no one has settled funds today who has a cash account and is waiting for funds to settle from yesterday. I was looking at Apple this morning before I knew I wouldn't be able to trade, and I wanted to go short on it out of the open, and I think I would have been in some profit because it gapped up and then it sold off. I probably would have tried to get in one of these opening candles, but that's that. So as for yesterday's trades, yesterday was not a great day. I took two trades, one on Apple and one on NIO, both losing trades, but I didn't really do too bad. I lost like $19. So it's not a horrible day. I made $34 on Monday. So I lost a lot of that I made on Monday, but it's alright. I'm still up for the week, like $10. And then no trading today. So let's just get right into Tuesday's recap. First trade was on Apple. And I forgot the trades exactly, so bear with me. I'm just rewatching this right now with you guys. I forgot exactly what happened on Monday, if I was going long or short. And as the trade plays out, I will go over it, because I'll remember then. Oh, so I got in there hoping for a VWAP bounce, trying to get in on the dip. So that's what that was. That was a 5-minute dip buy on the tap of VWAP. One contract. It's a $120 call, around $80. So I was in the profit a little bit, as you can see, up 50 cents. But just can't clear that 9 moving average. I mean, it is bearish on the 5-minute. But I either buy a dip trade or a breakout. Or that's why I try to buy for a scalp. So on the 1-minute, you got a green candle forming. But then the selling pressure comes in. Once this thing breaks below VWAP, kind of like, alright, maybe my ship has sailed. But there's hope. There is hope. I'm not selling unless this thing breaks VWAP. I remember telling myself that. I'll take the loss underneath VWAP. So the 5 minute, we're heading towards that 9 moving average on the 5 minute. Definitely below it on the 1 minute. See, now the hard part is getting back through VWAP on the 1 and 5 minute. So I basically lost hope on this trade. I know I'm going to lose money. Just how much money am I willing to lose at this point? I mean, I'm down 650. But it's hard to sell on a green candle. Like, I would probably need this thing. At this point, I'm at a minimum loss of $10 because if it doesn't break VWAP, then I need it to go red. So it would need to dip below the low of the previous candle, which will probably be at least a $10 loss. Actually, no, I just got out right there. I don't know why. I should have waited. Hey, you're a different person day to day, right? What I did yesterday was different from what I would have done today. But anyways, maybe I was just tired of holding it. I don't really remember. So I took a little loss there. Then NIO was selling off pretty hard. Looking at the 5 minute chart, this could be a dip buy. But I need something to bounce off of though. I need a low. I need an indicator of where to buy. And at this point, I don't even know what I'm doing. Man, I wish I could have traded today. So if anyone out there is wondering why your funds aren't settled, that's the reason why, because Veterans Day. Alright, looking at the calls, see how much they are. The spreads are looking not too bad. 2-cent spread, 3-cent spread. A lot of volume on the $50 strike. Just going to play it off the 5 minute. And all I'm really doing is buying in because it's a green candle, I think. Need that 1 minute chart though too. There we go. We broke over the 9. That's a nice spot to buy. But wasn't looking at the red candle forming. So I got in 2 contracts. And I need more of a move. I'm up $5, up $1. Have my sell order ready at market. The spread moved to 1 cent. Well, the spread's fluctuating between 1, 2, and 3 cents. So that's why I'm going up and down so much my P&L, because the spread's going by the bid price for selling. You're going to sell for the cheapest amount that someone's looking to buy, which is the bid. So you're definitely not going to sell on the ask on a market order. That's why you need the spread to be tight. And here this thing goes, turning around. Could have got a couple bucks, but you know what? The red came in, candle started dropping, so I had to get out. $9. So basically, like a $9 loss on each trade, which isn't bad. I mean, I'm definitely doing better than I was a month ago. I was holding those things to $250 losses. At least I'm really focused on getting out. If it turns around, who cares? You know what? You can't tell the future. That's that hindsight trading they call it. I hear that a lot, and it's very true. So that's it for that. Let's put some bonus features up here today, since I really don't have much to go by. Let's see how my Robinhood account is doing. Haven't checked this since yesterday. $28.45, not bad. I have 100 shares of Norwegian Cruise Line I've been holding for a while. I bought this at $8.63, basically almost at the lowest. 100 shares cost me, these aren't options, this is just shares. Cost me $863. I'm currently up $1,134. I was up a lot more yesterday and today. So when the news came out that Pfizer, November 6th, so Friday the news came out, I was running around $16.96 a share, and then that Pfizer news came out about the 90% effective rate of the coronavirus vaccine, and that gave a lot of hope to the cruise line industry, cruise lines, hotels, and airlines. So we had a big gap up from 16 to 20, and now we're running right around the $20 range for Norwegian. I'm going to hang on to this for a little bit. Another one I bought, which I got a really good deal on, was Toll Brothers. They're a development company. They build big housing developments, like pretty expensive houses all around the country. And I bought that. I only got 2 shares. I should have got more. At $14.31. It's almost it's at $45. It was over $50 for a little bit. But I'm going to hang on to this for a little bit. I'm hoping that this by next year that this portfolio gets to about $5,000. Then I could exit this position on all this and transfer this money over to Webull and hopefully not lose it, but make some better content with a bigger account. So that's going to be it for that. Let's take a look at my watch list really quick. Everything's looking good. Apple's up. The S&P's up. SPY's trending pretty good in an uptrend today. So we'll come back tomorrow and see what there is. Alright guys, catch you in the next one.